Hello once again. Still, we are on this topic, solving routine and non-routine problems involving area of composite figures form. Pero this time, ang bibigyan natin ng focus ay yung learning task number 2. If you are ready, umpisahan na ulit natin. Learning task number 2, problem number 1. A circle is inscribed with a 7-meter square. What is the area in square meter of the shaded region? If you look at the given figure, meron ditong square na kung saan ang side ay 7 meter. Ano? At dahil ang side ay 7 meter, lumalabas na yung diameter of the circle is also equivalent to 7 meters. So yun, yung diameter ay equivalent to 7 meters. At dahil ang diameter ay 7 meters, papatak na ang radius ay 3.5 meters. Dahil sabi nga natin, ang diameter is 2 times the radius. Kaya pag dinivide natin yung 7 by 2, our radius is 3.5 meters. So kaya nagkaroon dito ng 3.5 meters. Klaro? Now, dahil ang question ay area of the shaded region, na kung saan ito yung natirang portion ng square. So sa una, kukunin natin ang area of a square. Pagkatapos, kukunin din natin ang area of this circle. Okay? So umpisahan natin sa area of a square. For us to get the area of a square, our formula is s to the second power, which means side times side. Nagkataon, ang given side ay 7. And 7 squared means 7 times 7, which of course, equivalent to 49. At dahil ang given unit of measure ay meter, ay the m to the second power. So ito, mga bata, yung area of a square. Okay? So ito yung area ng square na may kabuuang 49 square meter. Now, ngayon naman, kunin natin ang area of a circle. So to get an area of a circle, our formula is pi. Okay? Our formula is pi, then r squared. So we know na ang pi ay 3.14. In the problem, ang ating radius ay 3.5. Then 3.5 squared. So our problem is 3.14 times 3.5 squared. At first, copy 3.14. Now, the question is, what is 3.5 squared? Pag sinabing 3.5 squared, it is 3.5 times 3.5. So, i-multiply natin. 5 times 5, we have 25. Carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2. Of course, it is 17. Then move one place to the left. Nandito na tayo sa 3 times 5. We have 15. Then carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. The answer is 10. So add 175, 105. So we have here 5. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1 plus 1 is 2. And then bring down 1. If you look at the problem, meron tayong 1 decimal place dito. Okay? Sa baba, another 1 decimal place for a total of 2 decimal places. Kaya naman from the end, nung 1, 2, 2, 5, move 2 places to the left. So nagkaroon tayo ng 12.25. Meaning to say, 3.5 squared is equivalent to 12.25. So our new problem is 3.14 times 12.25. Yun naman ang ating i-multiply. 12.25 times 3.14. Unahin natin yung 4 sa 12.25. So 4 times 5 is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2. We have 10. Carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. It is 9. And 4 times 1, of course, the product is 4. Move one place to the left. Nandun na tayo sa 1. Times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Another 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Again, move one place to the left. Doon na tayo sa 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, we have 7. And then 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 1 is 3. Then time to add, we bring down 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 5 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 7 we have 14. Carry 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 6 is 8. And then bring down 3. If you look at the problem, meron tayong 2 decimal places sa taas. And then another 2 decimal places sa baba. So for a total of 4 decimal places. Kaya naman, dun sa sagot, from the end, move ka ng 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places to the left. Okay? Ngayon, ano ang sagot? Meron tayong sagot na 38.4650 or simply 38.465 square meter. At dahil ang tanong ay area of the shaded region, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, after getting the area of a square, tapos pagkakuha ng area of a circle, isusubtract natin. So in this case, ang gagawin natin ay area of a square minus the area of a circle para ma-determine natin yung area of the shaded region. So we have now 49, okay, minus 38.465. And to make it balance, pwede tayo maglagay ng 0.00. Of course, we cannot subtract 5 from 0. The last 0 will become what? 10. Second to the last will be 9. Third to the last is also 9. And 9 here will become what? 8. Time to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So we have now 10.535, square meter. And this, children, is the correct answer. Problem number 2. May and Jan are planning to build a veranda like the figure as shown below. The semicircle-shaped part of the veranda will be covered with grass because they want to put a pocket garden while the rest of the veranda will be covered with tiles. What is the total area of the veranda that will be covered with tiles and grass? Well, kung titingnan natin yung figure, there's a given rectangle. At the same time, semicircle. At para makuha yung total area of the veranda that will be covered with tiles and grass, kukunin natin ang area of a rectangle plus the area of a semicircle. Unahin natin ang area of a rectangle. Sabi natin, the area of a rectangle, okay, is equivalent to length times width. The given length here is what? Anong ibinigay? 5. Tama? While the given width is 6. Or pwede rin naman baliktad. The given length is 6 and the given width is 5. Sabi nga kasi, sa rectangle, length ang palaging pinaka mahaba. Okay? Tapos, yung kapal ay di pwedeng kapantay, pwede namang mas maigsi. Okay? Now, what is 5 times 6? The answer is 30. Ano ang magiging unit natin? Square meter. Kasi, ang given unit dun sa ating figure ay meter. So, ang area of a rectangle dito sa problem na to ay 30 square meter. Now, ano ngayon ang kasunod? Dahil ang given dito sa side na to ay 6 meters and this side is parallel to this side, yan. Okay? Lumalabas na ito ay equivalent to 6 meters din. At dahil meron tayong semicircle, Okay? Itong 6 meters, ito yung magsisilbing diameter. Okay? Nung semicircle. Ngayon, dahil ang diameter ay 6 meters, kapag i-divide sa 2, okay? Kapag i-divide sa 2, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na radius. So, sa makatuwid, ang radius sa problem na ito ay 3 meters. Dahil sabi nga natin, ang radius is 1/2 the measure of the diameter. Okay? Now, alam na natin ang radius ng semicircle. So, kukunin natin ngayon ang area nitong semicircle. Sabi natin, kung ang area of a circle ay pi r squared, diba? Kung ang area of a circle ay pi r squared, ay di pi r squared, tama? I-divide lang natin sa 2. So, ito yung area of a circle, pi r squared. Na kapag i-divide sa 2, itong formula na to, magiging na siyang area of what? A semi-circle. Okay? So, yun. Let us continue. Tingnan nga natin. Pi is 3.14. Okay? Times the radius na 3 to the second power. Then divided by 2. So, we have 3.14 times 9 divided by 2. So, in this case, wala tayong pwedeng makancel. Kaya naman, i-multiply natin yung 9 sa 3.14. So, we have 9 times 4, 36, carry 3. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 3, 12, carry 1. Carry 1. 9 times 3, 27 plus 1 is 28. So 28, then with 2 decimal places, meron tayong 28.26. Okay? Divided by 2. So i-divide natin ngayon yung 28.26 by 2. Upang sa gayon, makuha natin yung area of a semicircle. So, paano? Okay, tingnan natin. Di pahiin natin ito para magkaroon tayo ng space. Yan. Pinahi lang ng sir yung area, formula ng circle. Okay, now let us continue. So, 28.26. 28.26 divided by 2. So, at first, we have 2 divided by 2. It is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 2 from 2. Of course, the difference is 0. Bring down 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, then bring down 2. 2 divided, put a decimal point. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. A difference of 0, then bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. So, the difference of 6 and 6, pahiin natin para magkaroon tayo ng space. Okay. So, we have here 6. Okay, 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So, meaning to say, ang ating quotient ay 14.13. 14.13 what? Square meter. So, ito ngayon yung area of a semicircle. So, kanina, meron tayong area of a rectangle. At sabi natin kanina na to get the total area of the veranda that will be covered with tiles and grass, kukunin ang area of a rectangle, tapos i-add yung area of a semicircle. So from 30, i-add na natin dito yung area of a semicircle, 14.13. So obviously, copy the decimal part, 13, and then add the whole numbers, 30 and 14. So 0 plus 4 is 4, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we now have 44.13. Ano ang unit? Square meter. At syempre pa, ito ngayon ang sagot o yung sinasabi nating total area of the veranda covered with tiles and grass. So, this is it. Okay? Ayos.